Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Yes, tonight we are looking at this question. It says, determine the magnitude of electric field at a point which is 300 millimeters from a charge of plus 5 microcoulomb, and state the direction, whether it's away or towards the charge. Okay, so how do you go about this? When you look at this scenario, we need to look at the information. Okay, we have the charge of interest, and the charge is plus 5 microcoulomb, which in SI units is going to be plus 5 times 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, what else do we know? We know the distance, which is 300 millimeters. And in SI units, it's going to be 300 divided by 1000, giving you 0.3 meters. Okay, what else do we know? Then we know our K. Okay, with that information, what comes to your mind? What comes to our mind is the equation of use. The suitable equation here is going to be E equals to KQ over R squared, the equation of the electric field at a point. So when you substitute in here, what do we get? So you have that one, the K, and you have the charge, which is 5 times 10 power minus 6. And then you have 0.3 squared. And what you get out of that is going to be the electric field at a point. So there we are. The electric field is 500,000 Newton per coulomb. And what's the direction? The direction is, we have to know that our charge is positive. Okay, the charge of interest is positive, and what is at point, whatever point of interest is also positive. Because we use the positive charge as a way of determining direction. So if you have this one as positive and the point testing charge is positive, where will the testing charge go? It will be away. So comes this question. It says, calculate the force exerted on that charge placed at that point above. Okay, how do you get this force? Okay, let us look at our data. You have the force which you are looking for. What else do we know? You know the electric field at the point, which is 500,000 Newton per coulomb. What else do we know? You know the charge placed there, and the charge is negative 15 times 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, what do we do after here? Then you go for the right formula. It says E is equal to F over Q, and E is 500,000. And what is F? F is wanted. And what is Q? Q is 15 times 10 power minus 6. So from here, you get your force as 500,000 times 15 times 10 power minus 6. What you get out of that is going to be the force. So that is that. 7.5 newtons. And is it towards the charge or away from the charge? It's attraction, so it will be towards the charge. And with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet and Simi Richard. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. Yes, it is our obligation to do so. Bye-bye.